Shinde Sachin, and I am here to represent my research work, that is phytochemical studies of some selected medicinal plants. In present investigations, we have performed the quantitative and qualitative test for presence or absence of phytochemicals in methanolic extract of Cucumis melo, Prosopis juliflora, and Datura stramonium. Cucumis melo, it belongs to family Cucurbitaceae, and it is an annual herb and native of Mediterranean region and Asia. Next one, Prosopis juliflora, it belongs to family Mimosae and is commonly known as Sarkari babul, and it is a large shrub native to semi-arid areas of West Indies and America. Next is Datura stramonium, it belongs to family Solanaceae and it is found in temperate and subtropical regions, and it is commonly called as white dhotra or pandra dhotra. So after overall survey of literature, the objective of present investigation to study, evaluate and characterize the methanolic extract of Citrullus melo fruits, Prosopis juliflora leaves, and Datura stramonium leaves as well as stem. Materials and method: extraction from the leaves, stems and fruits done by hot percolation using Soxhlet apparatus. We have performed here qualitative as well as quantitative test for phytochemical analysis, antioxidant activity, hemolytic assay, and antimicrobial activity. In results and conclusion, we have performed the quantitative test, that is the total phenolic content in Datura stramonium stem methanolic extract having higher phenolic content, that is 0.564 mg per ml, and in Datura stramonium leaf methanolic extract the phenolic content is found to be lower, that is 0.236 mg per ml. In total flavonoid content, Prosopis juliflora methanolic extract having higher flavonoid content, that is 0.517, and lower in case of Datura stramonium stem methanolic extract, that is the 0.452 mg per ml. Next one is the free radical scavenging activity. Here we have performed a DPPH radical scavenging activity and hydroxyl scavenging activity. In DPPH scavenging activity, here Cucumis melo methanolic extract having 66% DPPH radical scavenging activity, and in Prosopis juliflora 24.80% antioxidant activity has found. Hydroxyl scavenging activity, Cucumis melo methanolic extract having 70.12% antioxidant activity, and Prosopis juliflora having 32.78% of lower antioxidant activity. Hemolytic assay, in hemolytic activity, Datura stramonium leaf methanolic extract having 68 plus minus 0.16 hemolytic activity, and Cucumis melo methanolic extract having 56 plus minus 0.14 hemolytic activity. In antifungal activity, here we have tested against Aspergillus nodulum and Sporisorium sorgi. Prosopis juliflora methanolic extract having 4 mm zone of inhibition, and Datura stramonium leaf methanolic extract having negligible amount of antifungal activity against the Aspergillus nodulum. Conclusion: in the present investigations, the present methanolic extracts of given plants shows significant amount of antioxidant, hemolytic and antifungal properties. And last but not the least, I am thankful to the organizer, my research guide, and to everyone for giving me chance and opportunity to explain my research work. Thank you.